Hello friends, welcome to my channel, My Motherhood Studio. In today's video, I am sharing with you all an incredible biography series for children 6-year-old and above. The reason I'm sharing this series is because it is very important to have history books in your child's home library. This particular series not only helps your children deep dive into important historical figures, but it also doubles up as a wonderful early chapter books for children who are transitioning from picture books to chapter books. However, before I proceed with the video, I would want you all to take a pause and remind you that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to hit the bell button to receive notifications for all the new video uploads. You may also follow me on other social platforms like Facebook and Instagram. So now, without wasting much time, let's get started with today's video. Little Guides to Great Lives is a truly remarkable series with 10 different titles, out of which I have 3 titles with me over here at the moment. And this wonderful series introduces children to the most amazing people from all over the world and across the history. From Marie Curie to Amelia Earhart to Charles Darwin to Leonardo da Vinci, it engages the children in a very wonderful manner. This series presents the biography in a very simple narrative for children to comprehend and understand. The illustrations are simply wonderful and very captivating. Even as an adult, you would feel like taking the book and reading it all by yourself, or probably reading it aloud to your child. The illustrations in the series incorporates speech bubbles, word bubbles. It also is supported with factual chunk of information, depiction of letters, journals and quotes. For example, there is a wonderful quote in this particular title. Let me just find it and read it to you. So that makes the entire book very interesting for a child to pick and read. So this is a wonderful quote shared in the title Marie Curie. Life is not easy for any of us, but what? We must have perseverance and above all confidence in ourselves. We must believe that we are gifted for something and that this thing must be attained. So all these things put together make the entire series super engaging and interesting for a child who's transitioning from a picture book to a chapter book. And not only that, since it's a non-fiction book, it provides so much information, takes the child down into the history, helps them learn about these important figures across the world who helped shape the world in what we live today, and how their inventions and their work impacted all our lives today. For example, from this particular title, children can learn about the term radioactivity, because Marie Curie was the one who had coined the term radioactivity. So there are endless possibilities for children to learn, explore, discover and know more about these people and the work they did in past and how it has been helping us till today. Another very important thing which I really found wonderful in this series is that each historical figure has been introduced from a different perspective altogether. Not only the story of their life has been shared, but while they were alive and how they grew up, in what circumstances they grew up, what was the political scenario at that point of time across the world or in the country where they were living, how art and culture was treated, and many other things have also been taken into the consideration and has been shared in this particular title. For example, in this particular title of Charles Darwin, they have also spoken about that how his theory of evolution was being opposed by somebody else in some other part of the world. So this gives children a completely different perspective to a given situation in an entirety. In some of the titles, wherever relevant, even the life after that historical figure, information has also been shared, that what happened to their work, or probably if they found something, how someone else took it forward to the next level has also been mentioned in this particular book. Going forward in this video, I'm going to incorporate a flip through from all these three titles for you all to have a nice look inside into this series. However, before that, I would like to share with you all the quote from the author of this series, Isabel Thomas, which I personally felt is very powerful, and we should share it with our children, or probably have it written or printed somewhere around their workspace for them to read it every day. It's a very nice positive affirmation to themselves. Rather, as an adult also, you can use the quote from this author and take it as an affirmation, motivational affirmation to yourself on a daily basis. Let me share the quote with you all. So the author says, if you're curious, keep doing what you love, and don't be afraid to make mistakes and stand up for what you believe in. We are all capable of living a great life and changing the world for the better. And I feel that what she said is makes a lot of sense, holds a lot of meaning. We all need to believe in ourselves to bring about a change. Now do have a look in all these three titles going forward in the video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you like the recommendations I made today, and in case you do, please do like this video, comment on this video, share it with your friends and family if you think it will be of use to them as well. I would also look forward for your suggestions and feedback. Do not forget to share them with me in the comment section of this video. I will be eagerly waiting to hear from all of you. Thank you once again for watching today's video. Stay tuned. I will be back again with yet another interesting video.